The Lumberjack RT1500, variable speed bench top router table with integrated motor. Fitted with a powerful 1500-watt 230-volt motor, running off a standard UK plug. Fully operated from the front of the machine. Rise and fall wheel, vertical cutting height of 0 to 40 mm, with height adjustment locking nut, located behind the rise and fall wheel. Quick stop button, variable speed dial, with speeds of 8,000 to 26,000 RPM. All standard 1/2 and 1/4 inch router cutters can be used. Both collet sizes are supplied with the table. Handy router cutter storage on both legs. Clear guard assembly with 70mm dust port enables a safe dust-free workspace. Adjustable robust back fence, for accurate precise finish. In the box you will find, 1/2 and 1/4 collets, heavy-duty fence, 3 featherboards, mitre gauge, guard assembly.